engine. Actually, no ambulance. Clunk. That was a cutoff. Dumb bug. Volkswagen. Wings were. Yay! Jesus! Toyota! Alright! Go! 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 Jesus, twice with you, lady. Come on. Wake the fuck up. She's playing with her phone or something, for Christ's sakes. Get off my butt. Get off my butt! There's up his butt. Oh well, yeah, okay. Okay. Dang it. Oh. Thanks for tripping the light and not turning, prick. Pick a lane, Cameroid. Pick a fucking lane. Will you get that way? This way? What? Yes. Yes. Here. What are you doing? Make up your fucking mind! Back to North Carolina. Dress code. Do you know where you're going now? I saw that little swerve you made. Now you're pointing towards the left. You just ran the red light. Okay. Yeah. Colin now, he's going to cause mayhem down the oval. What are you doing? There's no left here, okay? Yeah, alright. Hearts beat strong. Sing up. What? There's no left turn. There's no left turn. What are you doing, Grandpa? There's no left turn. What are you doing? Oh, God, you're a moron. Yeah, take the left here. Get cut off. And he goes straight instead. You're parking. What the fuck are you doing? You're an idiot. Turning your license. Go back home. You just ran the red light. Hello? 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 What the hell that was? Yield. Straight from the turn lane. You ran the red. Stupid fuck! Goddamn Q-tip. I don't know where you came from to get off my butt. Straight from the turn lane! You just turned from the straight lane. Cut off. That was cut off. Cut off. Hello, hello, hello. Jesus. Thanks, douche. Thanks a lot. Who the fuck are you jumping the queue, you scumbag? Stop, maybe? I don't know. 2 for 2? Kinda, yeah. I want that one back. That was a cutoff. You ran the red. Jesus!